What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that most likely we should see some kind of movement to the upside that might hit a bit higher target, and probably it might be the top of the B wave. And in this case, we should see the movement to the downside that will break the bottom of this A wave. And it happened, as you can see, and right now we have a bounce from the range of support that I also marked previously. And I have to say that on my previous video we had a very good price action from this bottom to this top, and I nailed the majority of these movements. And I have to say that we booked a lot of profits with NIO in a matter of last month. And definitely this movement to the upside was very technical, and you can rewatch my previous videos about NIO, and you can prove my words by basically these videos. And I have to say that for now I still stand on my position that we might hit some lower targets, but I will show you the detailed analysis in just several minutes. And for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And definitely the most important fundamental news right now for NIO is their NIO Power Day. And right here on cnvpost.com we have a very interesting article that basically the summary of this Power Day 2022. And let me quote you this. NIO Power Day 2022. EV maker unveils 500 kilowatt ultra-fast charging pile, teases third generation swap station. And NIO will begin installing 500 kilowatt ultra-fast charging piles in China and Europe by the end of the year. And details of the third generation swap station expected to be announced by the end of the year or early next year. And this is a very interesting article, and I want to pay your attention on these bullets. Basically, it is the summary of this event, and I want to pay your attention on several paragraphs. And let me quote you them one by one. NIO is developing next generation high voltage platform technology, and the 800 volt high voltage platform battery pack and its battery swap system are open to the whole industry. And definitely it is a very good statement that they are open for the whole industry. And I have to say that this is a very important statement because it is totally makes sense to open their swap system facilities, because in a world of internal combustion engines vehicle, you don't have the gas stations that are directly related to one brand. You can use any gas station with any vehicle. And this is the same story. Next one. These two statements I already covered previously. It is the third generation swap station and 500 kilowatt ultra fast charging post. And this might be a very beneficial competitive advantage. Next one. By 2025, more than 90% of NIO users will have at least one battery swap station within 3 kilometers of their homes. And for now, let me show you this statement. A total of 62.1% of NIO users have at least a battery swap station within a 3-kilometer radius of their homes, with the highest percentage in Shenzhen at 84%. So for now this number is 62.1%, and definitely the goal of more than 90% is a very good target that might drastically improve NIO position on the market. Next one. NIO reiterates that it will have more than 4,000 battery swap stations worldwide by 2025, 1,000 of which will be located overseas. NIO is testing the use of stored batteries to provide power to the grid at a battery swap station. If this method is used on a large scale, it is expected to reduce the cost of battery swap stations. And this is a very clever decision, because in this case their swap stations might buy the cheaper electricity during the night period, and they can sell this electricity to the grid during the day. And definitely, this will drastically reduce the cost of battery swap stations, and it will improve the total fundamentals of the company. Next one, a total of 80% of the power provided by NIO supercharging piles is used by other brands of electric vehicles. Keen is calling on all EV brands to open up their charging piles to all users. And definitely it is the same idea that I covered just a couple of minutes ago about their swap systems that are open to the whole industry. And definitely this statement will benefit not only NIO company, but the entire EV industry in general. So I have to say that on NIO Power Day 2022, we can see a lot of very good statements that were made by C-level executives of NIO, and definitely in the long term all of them might be a very good potential catalysts for the company, but we have to give a time to a market, because market should realize all the pros and all the cons of these statements. And let's continue with this data. We have another rating from Nomura that was published on July the 1st, and they lowered their price target from $51.5 to $25.8. But it is still more than 18% of upside potential. And I have to say that a lot of analysts lowered their price targets on NIO, but the price target by itself are higher than the current NIO's price, and this means NIO has a very good upside potential in general. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I still stand on my position that we should see lower price targets for NIO, because we cannot have this movement to the upside that was made in a matter of 46 days, and this movement to the downside, this retracement that was made only for about 9 days. We have to see a longer consolidation phase right after this bounce from its lowest point right here at $11.73. And this means we have to see lower price action. We have to break this range of resistance. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, next range of support might be at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. It is a 38.2% retracement from this bottom to this top. And next one, in my opinion, the most promising one is right here at 0.5 at the round number of $18. And it is the confluence with this range of support that I marked previously, and that worked perfectly well, for example, right here, or we have a couple of touches of this range right here and one touch of this range right here, and it is the bottom of this previous swing low. And I have to say that if this asset will hit this range right here at 0.5, right after it might have a bounce on the retracement at this very point, you might enter your swing trade position, because your stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom, and this will give you very low downside potential for the potential trade and very high upside potential, because if it is the bottom, we might exceed this previous swing high and we might hit much higher targets. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live